In this video, I'll go over how to identify the mephidids, the skunks. We have two species here in North America, well, in Montana. So looking at these skulls, we can tell that they're skunks because the palate ends right with the back of the teeth, and they have generally sharp teeth. They're definitely a carnivora. The biggest difference between these two skulls is just size. The striped skunk is a lot bigger than the spotted skunk. And then according to Key, the striped skunk should have a CBL, condylobasal length, of more than 60. And right now I measure it at about 79. And in contrast to the spotted skunk, which should be less than 60, I measure it at about 50. The other thing for distinguishing these two is kind of the general shape of the skull. Here in this striped skunk, there's a little bit more of an arch to it. You can see that it's kind of flat on top and then there's kind of angles down. Versus in the striped skunk, it's a little more flat all the way across the top. There's not as big of an arch right there. So that and the size will tell you which species these skulls are. The skins are pretty straightforward. Striped skunk is striped. Spotted skunk is also striped, but it has a different pattern. So it has all of these smaller stripes versus the classic skunk stripe that I'm sure you're all familiar with.